Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Apple Music subscription to change country or region on your Apple device. So guys, if you're unable to change your country or region because of Apple Music subscription, here I will show you how can you cancel it and how can you change country or region. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and go to general and then go to software update and make sure that you are using the updated version. After this, go back and now scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time. And now scroll it below and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. And after this, go back and now go to your profile and then go to payment and shipping and wait here for some seconds. And from here you have to go to your billing address and now scroll it below, and here you can see you can change country or region from here. So guys, here you can see this. If the option is not opening, then you have to simply go back and now you have to simply go to subscriptions from here, and from here you will see all of your subscriptions. So guys, you can see this. You can see all of your subscriptions from here, and if you want to cancel any subscriptions from here, you have to simply go to that subscription and there you will see the button for canceling the Apple Music subscription like this. So guys, you can see this. You have to simply open the subscription from here and then you will be able to cancel the subscription from this button. So guys, in this way you can also cancel subscription for Apple Music to change country or region. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.